There are many churches around the country that understand why church security is important, but they are having a hard time understanding how to do it well. Our national 2-day seminar takes the security of the church from the why to the how. Friday night kicks the seminar off with a lot of core topics covered to include verbal de-escalation and conflict resolution.
And how important that is in churches. So having good verbal skills, it doesn't matter what ministry you're in, having good verbal skills is vital to the effectiveness of your ministry. To be able to de-escalate a situation that may happen is key, because you don't want to escalate something to where you're going to have to deal with it in a different manner. I'm keeping a little bit of a distance. This is more of a personal space, isn't it? Yeah, it makes you nervous, doesn't it? Yeah. So you saw how he reacted. He didn't want me in that space.
All of the topics covered Friday night are leading into Saturday's training, where we add the hands-on training piece of defensive tactics. This Level 1 defensive tactics training instructs in how to handle situations that have escalated beyond verbal, but have not reached a need for a lethal response on the force continuum. All over the country, this portion of the training has become a favorite of many and of all ages. Saturday afternoon uses the time to practice all that has been covered so far that weekend through scenarios, and concludes with a question and answer time. At CV Ministries, we look at the security of the church in what we call the total team concept. That the security of the church is not just the responsibility of a few individuals that are called to the ministry of security. This seminar is for everyone that is working or volunteering at the church in some capacity. This would include the greeters, ushers, children's workers, parking lot volunteers, staff, security ministry, and even those that might be helping out with weddings and memorials. We can't ever forget that the church is here for the hurting and the broken, that we want the hurting and the broken to be in our church each week. Balancing security with a welcoming heart is something that takes intentionality to be able to do both well. Having churches from a community come together for training makes for a stronger and safer community as they train and network with each other over 2 days. In today's society, people are walking through the doors of our churches expecting that everyone that is working in some capacity is capable of handling any security issue that may arise. If we are representing our churches with our service, then we all need to be standing on the wall securing the ministry of our church so that the work of God is able to be done in the hearts of everyone coming through the doors. We would love to see you at one of our seminars in the near future, or be willing to host one in your community. For more information or to register, visit our website at cv-ministries.com. We hope to see you soon.